Tired of mealtime stress, wasted food, and last-minute dinner dilemmas? Mealime meal plans and recipes promises to be your ultimate solution for healthy eating, simplifying meal prep and grocery shopping for busy lives. But does this highly rated app truly make healthy cooking easy and enjoyable? Mealime is a game changer, offering personalized meal plans tailored to your diet and preferences, from healthy recipes to quick meals. Its key features include thousands of healthy recipes with clear instructions and an organized grocery list that automatically generates based on your selected meals, helping you save time and reduce food waste. For example, easily choosing a week's worth of healthy dinners, having your entire grocery list created instantly, and confidently knowing exactly what to buy and cook saves so much mental energy and leads to delicious, stress-free meals. However, while the free version is robust, some premium features like advanced filters or exclusive recipes require in-app purchases. Occasionally, users might find the recipe variety slightly limited within specific, very niche dietary restrictions. What's your thought?